Hello children, how are you all? I hope everything is fine at your end and you all are enjoying our digital learning. So welcome back to the world of numbers. We have already learned about 3-digit numbers and till now you have learned many things about it, and I must say that till now you are well versed with 2 and 3 digit numbers. Now, quickly tell me, my dear kids, which is the smallest 2-digit number? Which is the smallest 2-digit number? Yes, the smallest 2-digit number is 10. And which is the largest or greatest 3-digit number? Yes, you are absolutely right. The largest 3-digit number is 999. Very good. Now tell me which number we will get if you add 1 into largest 3-digit number. The largest 3-digit number is 999 plus 1. Yes. If we add greatest 3-digit number plus 1, the greatest 3-digit number is 999 plus 1, we get the smallest 4-digit number, that is 1000. Now you can do the addition, write the numbers as per the place and do the addition. 9 plus 1, 0. Then we will carry over the 1 here. 9 plus nothing. So 9 plus 9, 0. It means 10. Then again 1 will carry over. 1 plus 9, 0. And here we will go 1 plus nothing is 1. So we will get this place value, that is 1000. So your answer is 1000. 1000. That is called 1000 or 1000. Now children, what we call this place? Yes, it's a thousand. Very good. You can see the spelling THOUSAND. Okay, and this number is called 1000 or 1000, as I told you earlier. As you know, the decimal system that we follow, the decimal system that we use is based on groups of ones, tens and hundreds and thousands. First, let us understand the relationship between ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. We have already studied the relationship between one tens and hundreds. We know that 10 ones is equal to 1 ten and 10 tens is equal to 100. Now, when we group 10 hundreds together, okay, now when we group 10 hundreds together, we get 1000. You can see the picture. So, 10 hundreds is equal to 1000. We already know the different ways to write a 3-digit number. So today, let us take the 4-digit number, that is 1, 2, 4, 3, and I will show you how to write this number in different ways. Let us begin then. We can use blocks to show the ones, tens, hundreds and thousands, as one block of 1000, two blocks of 100 and 4 blocks of tens and 3 blocks of ones. It can also be written using the place value chart as shown on your screen. that is C. Unit or ones, tens, hundred and thousand. This is a short form used for the thousand. So 1243. The third method is to read the number is writing this number in words. Okay, so let's start reading this number. 1000. Yeah, you can repeat after me. 1243. Very good. Yes, children. And I know as a smart kids, you all know the rule. What's the rule? Yes, while we are writing the number in words, first letter will be capital and rest all will be small, and we will end it with the full stop. Very good. I am glad that you remember all the points. Amazing. Lovely. I am very proud of you. Now let us read few 4-digit numbers. Look at the number. It's 4, 5, 6, 7. First, place each digit of the numbers in the place value chart. Now let us read it. Come on, try to read. Read from this place. 4567. This number we will say together. Very nice. Very good. Now children, we will try one more example. How we will read the number with the digits 1006. Yes, observe the place value chart on my screen and try to read. See, on thousand place 1, hundred 0, on tens place 0, and on ones place or units place 6. So how we will read this? Yes, 1006. Bravo, very good. Do you know 1000 or 1000 is the smallest 4-digit number, and 999 9999 is the greatest 4-digit number. Wow, wasn't it easy? Now let us learn to compare 4-digit numbers. To compare 2 or more 4-digit numbers, first look at the thousand place, then hundreds place, then tens place, and lastly the ones place or units place. Let us understand with the example that is there on your screen. On my left side, try to read the number. Yes, it is 3672. On my right side, 3843. We begin by comparing the digits in the thousands place. That is 3 and 3. 3 and 3. The digits are same here. And now we will compare the digits in hundred place. See on my left side 6 and 8. The digits are different here, isn't it? Here 6 is smaller than 8. The digits are different here, and here 6 is smaller than 8. So number 3672 is smaller than the number 3843. You already know that open side of the sign always points towards the greater number, and the closed side of the sign always points towards the smaller number. that we have learned in 3-digit number. Now, here are few more examples for you. Let's have a next slide. Now, the first number is, try to read with me, 2318, and another number is 2314. Now observe the place value and compare the numbers. Yes, both the numbers are same at thousands, hundreds and tens place. But at the units place, see in the third picture on your screen, on the units place, 8 is greater than 4. Hence, 2318 is greater than 2340. Now, we shall learn one more concept in number work, that is forming 4-digit numbers. Firstly, we will learn how to form the smallest and greatest number. Let us take the digits, and your digits are 2, 4, 1, 8. To form smallest number using these digits, we arrange them in increasing order. So we arrange the digits as 1248. Thus we get the smallest number as 1248. Now to form greatest number using this digit, we arrange them in the descending order. So here we arrange the digits as 8, 4, 3, 2, 1. Thus, we get the greatest number as 8421. Let us solve one more example to understand it in a better way. Look at the digits. The digits are 3084. Now here, to form the smallest number, we arrange it as 0, 3, 4, 8. But this number is 3-digit number. This number is 3-digit number, isn't it? Therefore, we interchange the position of first 2 digits, that is 0 and 3, to get the smallest number, that is 3084. Then we have smallest number as 3048. Now to form greatest number, we arrange it as 8430. Thus, we get the greatest number as 8430. Kids, do you know we can make many numbers using the given sets of digits? Here you can see on my screen. Look at the digits 3174. Take any one digit in the thousand place and write other remaining number in the other columns. Observe the chart and let's read all the numbers. Try to read all this number by taking the screenshot of my screen. These are all the numbers which can be made using the digits 3174. Wow! So many numbers can be formed using just 4 digits. Kids, now you try forming numbers with any 4 digit of your choice. Hope you had a fun learning with me. So, let's meet soon with many more concepts in numbers.